Hey there, YouTube fam! Ever encountered the dreaded "you need permission to perform this action" error? Frustrating, right? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this quick guide, we'll tackle the reasons behind it and walk you through the fix. Open up File Explorer. Expand this PC. Navigate to your local disk, usually C drive. Dive into the Windows folder. Right-click on the mysterious System32. Select Properties. Jump to the Security tab. Now, let's get fancy. Click on Advanced. In the Owner field, hit Change. Type in Users and confidently press Check Names. Give it the green light with a solid OK. Check the box that says Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. Apply your changes and bravely hit Yes. Another confident OK. Back to the Security tab, let's play detective. Click on Edit. Spot your user account and confidently click Remove. Now, let's invite the good guys back in. Click on Add. Type in Users and get that confirming Check Names. Click OK. This is where the magic happens. Check the box for full control. Apply your newfound powers with a click and confirm with a yes. Hit OK. And one more for good measure, another OK. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.